Identifying a raw rough diamond at home can be exciting, especially if you think you've found something valuable. While professional testing is always the most accurate, there are several simple methods you can use at home to check whether a stone might be a real rough diamond. Hushka 1. Look at the shape and surface. Raw diamonds usually have a natural, irregular shape. Most often they appear cubic or octahedral, like two pyramids joined together, with sharp edges but not perfectly smooth surfaces, slightly greasy or waxy in appearance. If your stone looks too smooth or perfectly round, it is likely not a diamond. Number 2. Check the shine luster. Diamonds have a unique shine called adamantine luster. Even in rough form, they reflect light strongly, not glassy like quartz, more bright and metallic like reflection. Try placing the stone under light and rotating it. A real diamond will sparkle differently from ordinary stones. 3. Perform the fog test. This is a quick and popular home test. Breathe on the stone like you would on a mirror. Watch how long the fog stays. A real diamond disperses heat quickly, so the fog disappears almost instantly. If it stays for a few seconds, it may not be a diamond. 4. Water test. Fill a glass with water and drop the stone in. Real diamonds are dense and will sink immediately. Fake stones may float or sink slowly. Note, some non-diamond minerals also sink, so this test alone is not conclusive. 5. Scratch test. Be careful. Diamonds are the hardest natural material. They can scratch glass easily, but scratching tests can damage both the stone and surfaces. It's better to avoid this method unless necessary. 6. Check transparency. Most rough diamonds are not perfectly transparent. They may look cloudy or slightly opaque. If the stone is crystal clear like glass, it's probably not a raw diamond. 7. UV light test. If you have access to UV light, many diamonds glow blue under UV light. However, not all diamonds fluoresce, so this is not a guaranteed test. Important tips. Many minerals like quartz or zircon can look similar to rough diamonds. Home tests only give clues, not confirmation. For a final answer, consult a professional gemologist. Conclusion. Finding a raw rough diamond at home is rare, but not impossible. By checking the shape, shine, density, and reaction to fog or light, you can get a good idea of whether your stone might be real. However, always remember that only professional testing can confirm its true value.